welcome back to another little Vlogmas video. I hope you're all well. So, as you can see, I'm currently taking Ralphie here out for a quick walk. He's all looking all festive in his lovely Christmas jacket, bless him. But yeah, I just quickly nipped out, mainly to get a bit of fresh air, but also I wanted to start seeing if I could collect a few little bits of foliage for my little wreaths that I want to make. I've obviously got like some plasticky bits and pieces at home, and I've got some acorns and some pine cones and stuff, but I want to see if I can collect some little bits of foliage. I do feel a little bit guilty. I don't want to pick like too much stuff because I want to leave some like berries and stuff for the birds that are flying around. But yeah, I'm going to see if I can pick some, and then, God, it's a bit slippery, see if I can pick some, and then if worst comes to worst, I can then kind of get some little plasticky bits from the shops, or see if I can forage some foliage from somewhere. Forage some foliage. So yeah, just having a quick little walk with Ralphie. I have brought my sketchbook out with me as well, just in case I want to do a little bit of doodling. But Ralphie tends to get a bit impatient when I sit and try and do drawings when I'm out and about. But we'll see what I get up to. It's really quite cold out here today actually. It doesn't help that I had a freezing cold shower this morning because we didn't have any hot water, so I haven't stopped shivering since, hence why I'm wearing about 50 million layers. But yeah, it's a cold but really gorgeous day today, so hopefully when I get back from my walk I do really also want to get my the rest of my bulbs in. I appear to have a little attachment on me. It's not coming off my glove just because it's all spiky, but I'll sort it out when I get home. Okay, so me and Ralphie are now back from our little walk. I managed to collect quite a few little twiglets. The mission wreath making is underway. I probably haven't collected quite enough, but I could actually get some from the garden, come to think of it. But let me just quickly show you them. So yeah, I kind of just went for like different colours and textures. I don't really know what I'm going to how I'm going to quite do them yet, because I've never really made like a real live wreath before. But yeah, I went for colours and textures. These are like my favourite ones because they remind me of snowdrops. But what I thought I'd do quickly now, seeing as I'm all in like my outside warm clothes, is get my bulbs in, because if I don't get them in they're not going to grow. So I haven't really got a clue where I'm going to put them because I've kind of filled up all the spaces, although I think I might be able to get rid of my pepper plants because I think they are looking a little bit cold and windswept. I think they're meant to be grown in a greenhouse. I don't have one of them. It's something I want to try and invest in getting next year. But yeah, so I'm going to pick some of the good looking ones because there are a few which seem to have grown alright, and put some of the bulbs in where the peppers used to be, and then just kind of find some areas to poke them into. What do you want, Ralphie? Do you want me to chuck a ball for you? Do you? Bring a ball then. Get a ball. You silly dog. I've still got a little pumpkin here on the table, which we were going to obviously do for Halloween, but part of me really wants to like carve a little Christmas scene in for it. I think my sister's also got one upstairs which she hasn't done either, but yeah, we just didn't get around to it at Halloween time, so part of me just wants to turn it into a Christmas pumpkin instead. That's a wonky ball. You missed it. Ralphie, it's there. So it's a little bit later now back in my room ready to do a bit of work. I have just been and had a shower, hence why my hair is all soaking wet, because I could not warm up after taking Ralphie out and doing my garden. I think I've just been cold all day ever since I had my cold shower. So luckily there's some hot water this time, and I've now been and had a shower, and I'm now warming back up again. I've defrosted basically. So I do need to do my daily doodle. That is one thing that I've got to do, but before I do that, I'm just going to sit and work on creating a little thumbnail for one of my other videos that I filmed. Not gonna lie, not looking forward to doing this, because as I've been saying all week, my computer's playing up. It's probably going to take a lot longer than it should do. I'm probably going to light a candle just to make the room feel nice and cosy and nice and warm. And yeah, I'm going to get on with some work. So I've just finished creating my little thumbnail for one of my vlogs, and then also sat and edited one of my Vlogmas videos. Not gonna lie, it took absolutely ages, because as predicted, my computer is just being a bit of a nightmare. I need to go calm down and de-stress a little bit, because it's been stressing me out. So I need to go make myself a nice little cup of tea and just like chill. Don't get on very well computers at the best of times, but when it's playing up how it has been recently, it's like I'm going to go make myself a nice little cup of tea to chill out. I'm going to get myself a glass of water as well. And then I want to sit and do my daily doodles. Now, because it is so late already and that has taken me absolutely ages, I'm only going to sketch out my daily doodles today, and then hopefully I'm going to paint them tomorrow. Because I like to be a bit more chilled. I really want to get on with a couple of other little paintings tonight, so I don't want to spend too long sketching out my daily doodles.